Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing your workspace. Sign in, enable Maps and open My Maps. Create a new map and add the locations or shapes you need. This organizes data into layers. Once done, name layers clearly so you can export selectively. Make sure to verify each pin or polygon has the right attributes because exports carry those fields. Now choose the layer to export. That's the first actionable step toward getting usable geodata. Next, export the chosen layer. Use My Maps export to KML/KMZ. Select only selected layers if needed. If you need rows and columns, convert that KML to CSV with a converter or an app like QGIS, import KML, then export attribute table as CSV. Make sure coordinates are in decimal degrees so spreadsheets and databases read them correctly. Once converted, inspect sample rows for names, addresses, and finish by importing the CSV into your final tool, spreadsheet, GIS, or database, and map latitude and longitude to geometry columns. Then validate, remove duplicates, fix missing coordinates, and ensure UTF-8 encoding for special characters. If attributes are missing, re-export the original KML with all fields visible. One key troubleshooting tip: if nothing exported, verify layer visibility and that place marks exist in the KML. Hidden layers and empty layers are the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.